Hey parents, we have arrived. Now we can go to the entertainment sector. Just follow me. It looks like there's no lights here. Well, okay. I guess we can go back, huh?
Hey, what are you doing here? Oh, and the parent here. Better get lost and go get your daughter in the case before you get hurt.
I think he wants to scare us. Don't be afraid of this guy, parent. I never see him actually carrying out his threats, so let's go have fun, and we'll find an officer. So parents, you go ahead and I'll go look for the officer. We'll meet in the main sector, okay?
How are you? Are you okay? I think I managed to close the door. Okay, go talk to Min Min.
I didn't find the officer. I think we'll look for her later. But now, let's go to the entertainment sector. There's a lot of entertainment things there. And cookies. Wait, I hear something.
Ouch! Where am I? What floor is this?
This is the 7th floor, but I have never seen you in person, Verver. Let's be friends. The parent and I are going to the entertainment sector.
In the 7th floor? And the entertainment sector? Don't go there, it's dangerous.
Get out of here. This is your last warning.
Oh no! We have to run! Where have you been all this time? I've been looking for you everywhere. And where did you get your wounds?
It's a long story. I'll tell you later. Mancat, for now he's alone. I know what he's capable of and who he has.
Okay, parents, go on without me. I want to talk to Fogarina. I haven't seen her for a long time.
Hello again. If you think I'm going to put you to sleep again, I don't. I'm going to help you, my friend, because I'm capable of a lot.
Oh, Brent and Reverend, can you please leave? I want to show something to Brent.
Hello, parents. Sorry for running away from you. Wait, where?
Don't have time for you now.
Hello, or should I say Scott? I'm glad to see you're okay. I locked Daffy Pearl and Cactus Old here so they don't go off and cause some trouble again.
Wow, good job. Okay, we won't vouch here, but now that Mancat is wandering around here. So keep an eye on this too. Barrett, find the key card to open the door. Well done. Now let's go into the room.
Hi guys, long time not see you. Me and Sandbox miss you.
I know I caused a lot of trouble. That's why I want to take a bath. Wait, what the? Man-cat? It's not what you think!
It turns that you are a traitor, right?
Guys, run!
Stay here. Mancat is afraid to come here alone, so it's safe here. I'll come down to you now.
No! You're coming with me!